Hi, this is Chris from the Salinas Public Library. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for Kanopy. Kanopy is an application that will give you digital access to videos and movies with a limit to the number of adult titles per month, but unlimited access to children's content, all on your home device. While you can download a Kanopy app from many different devices, including tablets, phones, and smart TVs, today we will be working on the first step, creating a Kanopy account and logging in. The first step is to go to the Salinas Public Library's website at www.salinaspubliclibrary.com. Step 2. Click on the link for Download It. Step 3. Scroll down the page just a bit and find the Kanopy link. Click on Take Me There to access the Kanopy page. Now that we're here on the Kanopy website, you'll be looking for the Add Library Card button on the bottom left of your screen. Click on that button. A pop-up will ask you for your library card number. Your library card number should be printed on your library card, and it begins with 2355. It is 14 digits long. You will need to type the entire number. Step 6. After you've entered your library card information, click the Continue button. This should take you to the Create Account page. Fill in the requested information, including your name, an email address, and your chosen password. Finally, if you are on a computer, you're ready to explore. If you have signed up using a tablet or smartphone, you will need to obtain the app from your usual app store. We can cover this in another video. If you are exploring the app and want to access the children's version for unlimited viewing, click Go to Kanopy Kids in the upper right corner. You will find book readings, cartoons, and other fun videos. Thank you, and from the Salinas Public Library, enjoy.